Hello friends, welcome back to learn more about aromatherapy. Today our topic is aromatherapy for high blood pressure. As you all know that there is not a single reason for any disease. Same goes for high blood pressure also. But generally we can blame reasons for poor lifestyle, food habit, etc. And lifestyle is not a it is not a small word, it is very big. It includes how you sleep, how you talk, meditation, what you eat, when you eat, your work schedule, your work culture, relation, attitude towards life, exercise, and precautions you take to avoid diseases, etc. So in the lifestyle, aromatherapy is a big part of our lifestyle. Rarely you will find a person who is not into aromatherapy. Maybe the person is not aware that he or she is into aromatherapy, or she is taking the benefits of aromatherapy. Yes, it is also a sad thing to say that without standard knowledge of aromatherapy, generally people do not get benefit from it. And my aim here is to provide a standard knowledge about aromatherapy so that we all can benefit from it. And so now let's come to the main point. Main topic is aromatherapy for high blood pressure. We need 4 essential oils. I have 4 in front of me, as you can see. I have many, but 4 we need. Please listen carefully. We need ylang ylang essential oil, number 1. Number 2, we need lemon. Number 3, we need clarices essential oil. And number 4 is sweet marjoram. So 4, I will repeat again: ylang ylang essential oil, lemon essential oil, clarices essential oil, and sweet marjoram essential oil. Okay, so let me tell you the properties of these essential oils. Why have I chosen only these 4? Why not rose? Why not sandalwood? Why not some other oil like eucalyptus or peppermint? Now, talking about ylang ylang. Ylang ylang essential oil helps with panic and shock. It relaxes, it slows the heartbeat and breathing rate also. Lemon essential oil, it helps with obesity. It is diuretic and lowers blood pressure. It lowers blood pressure, and it is general rejuvenator oil due to its oxidizing agents. Number 3 is clarices. Clarices is amazing oil. Clarices, you must all have clarices with you. If not, please buy clarices. Even though it is difficult to buy, but clarices you must have in your house or with your aromatherapy kit on your room, wherever you travel. Clarices is recommended for high blood pressure and cholesterol. I'm not saying because you have high blood pressure so buy clarices, but it has huge benefits, especially for women. I will talk about it in my other topics. Clarices helps in swollen and twisted veins. It is soothing and calming oil. It is really very effective, very effective. Then sweet marjoram. Sweet marjoram essential oil balances heart, and it also helps increasing passing of urine. It balances blood circulation, and again it is calming to nervous system. Out of these 4 essential oils, do you know which one is most important? Yes, clarices. Clarices is most important. So let us talk about how we blend these oils. And please remember that if I am talking about 4, so do not think that clarices is most important, so I will use only clarices. No, you have to blend it, then it becomes more effective. Not a single system is effective. Yes, in emergency maybe you can think of, but we do not recommend. A blend is very important. It is something like there is a proverb in India. We say 1 + 1 is not 2, 1 + 1 is 11. Yes, because a synergy is there. Similarly, when they blend, a synergy is there and they become more powerful. So how do we use them? 21 drops of clarices. Okay, we need 21 drops of clarices and 7 drops of Ilang ilang 7 drops of lemon, 7 drops of sweet marjoram, total 42 drops. Let me repeat again for you. 21 drops of clary sage, 7 drops of each essential oil, ilang ilang, lemon and sweet marjoram. Now how do we do? So these drops we add in an empty dark color glass bottle. I will put 21 here, 7, 7 and 7. So my blend oil of high blood pressure, it is ready. You have to put a label also on it so that you don't get confused. Now I have to use this oil into some carrier oil. I have carrier oil 30 ml. So you have to blend it into 30 ml of coconut or jojoba oil. If you are watching my previous videos, you must be knowing that we need a carrier oil to make a treatment oil. I will repeat again, this is just a blend oil of certain drops here, so it is still pure essential oil, and this is your carrier oil. When in carrier oil, when I put blend oil, so it becomes treatment oil, otherwise it's just a carrier oil. So please remember that essential oils are not applied neat on the skin. We use them with some carrier oil to get the benefits of their therapeutic properties. So our high blood pressure treatment oil is ready. Here, how? In 30 ml of jojoba or coconut, I have added 12 drops of my blend oil. And you can also use in some other way, like you can add 8 to 10 drops of this blend to your bath, not from this essential oil to your bath. Okay, a back massage is always recommended. Now what would you do with it? It is ready, then you have to apply it. So a back massage is always recommended. Please make sure that massage has to be slow, gentle, circular in motion, from the base of the back to the top. Don't go down, base of the back to the top. And please consult your Ayurveda or aromatherapist or massage therapist for further help. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you again with another interesting topic.